I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Chrysler 300 into neutral. First, make sure your Chrysler 300 is on a flat, level surface. Always engage the parking brake before attempting this procedure for safety. Next, insert your key and turn the ignition to the run position, but do not start the engine. Finally, firmly press and hold down the brake pedal with your foot. This prepares the vehicle for the next step in shifting to neutral. Now, locate the small shift interlock release button. It's usually found near the base of the gear selector lever. You might need to remove a small cap to access it. Use a small, flathead screwdriver or a similar tool to press and hold this button down. While continuously holding the release button, carefully move the gear selector from park into the neutral position. You should feel it click into place. Safety is paramount when putting your Chrysler 300 into neutral. Never release the brake pedal until you are absolutely sure the vehicle is secured and won't roll. Always have a clear plan for how you will move the car once it's in neutral, especially if you're towing it. Remember, the vehicle can roll freely, so be extra cautious on any incline, even a slight one. You'll typically use neutral for specific situations, such as when you need to tow your Chrysler 300 or move at a very short distance without the engine running. Once you've completed your task, always remember to shift the gear selector back into park and re-engage the parking brake. This ensures the vehicle is safely secured. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is always a good idea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.